containers are the most prevalent of drying out the quickest because they're elevated and they evaporate more rapidly. Also, the smaller the container, raised bed, container, whatever the device is, the less soil equals less moisture retention, means it's going to dry out quicker. So when you water anything, if you're on a drip system or a tree hugger or tree diaper or DripWorks, this does not necessarily apply because you're setting a regiment or a time frame in which it's going to water or it's watering on its own. If you're watering a container or you're watering with your watering can, watering means you thoroughly soak the ground. This may take 20 minutes in order to get your containers hydrated properly, or the raised bed properly hydrated, or the grow bag properly hydrated, or the ground, because you can dump 2.5 gallons in a watering can on the ground, take your finger and run it, and it's only the top quarter inch is moist. It takes a lot of moisture to wick down into the area where the seeds and the roots are at.
And the more dry your soil is, the longer it takes,
yes.
The more water it takes. And that's another reason we're not telling you to stay consistent in watering because we're annoying or something like that. It's because when your plants are properly watered on a regular basis, then you're actually going to end up using less water.
And they're healthier because they can fight off diseases. Mulch is a great, and we've said this many times, mulch is the way in which you water and put a mulch down. There's many different applications of mulch, from wood chips and perennial beds to straw to chemical-free, seed-free grass clippings to shredded paper and anything in between. Some people may choose to use a synthetic weed barrier. We don't advise that. We would advise go all natural on that. But pine needles, it holds the moisture in because it's repelling sunlight from evaporation.